children, I am Prasanna. In this video I am going to explain 3.3 word problems of Unit 3 simple equations. In the last video I have explained 1 to 7 word problems. Now coming to 8th one, find the length and the breadth of a rectangle given below if its perimeter is 72 meters. Your perimeter means what, children? Sum of all the four sides. It gives a perimeter. So total length of all the four sides they gave us 72 meters. And in the figure, length is 5x plus 4 and breadth is x minus 4. So first we will write what is given, okay? So length of a rectangle, how much they gave? 5x plus 4. And coming to what is breadth? Breadth they gave as x minus 4. And what is given in the question? Perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. 72 meters. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. That you know. Otherwise, sum of all four sides also you can take. So 2 into L plus B equal to 72 meters. Now I will substitute in place of length 5x plus 4, in place of breadth x minus 4. So 2 into, so length is what? 5x plus 4 and breadth is what? X minus 4 equal to 72. Now 2 into 5x plus x, how much? 6x, and plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. So equal to 72, right? Now 2 into 6x is how much? 12x. 12x equal to 72. So we want the value of x so that we can find what is length and breadth. So 12x, 12 into x, when it transpose to other side it will become division. So x equal to 72 by 12. 12 ones are 12, how many times? 12 6 are 72. So x equal to 6 you got. Now here we will find what is length and what is breadth. So length is nothing but they gave 5x plus 4. So substitute x equal to 6 in place of x. Okay. So 5 into 6 plus 4. How much? 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 how much? 34 meters. Okay. Here they gave meters. Now coming to breadth. Breadth we took as x minus 4. That is, what is x you got here? 6. 6 minus 4 how much? 2 meters. So length you got 34 meters, breadth you got 2 meters. Now we will check whether you got correct answer or not. Suppose this is a rectangle, right here you got 34, here you got 2. If it is 34, opposite side of rectangle is also 34. If it is 2, here also 2. So when you add 2 plus 34 plus 2 plus 34, how much you are going to get? 2 plus 34, 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38 plus 34, you got 72 meters. That is given in the question. Ninth word problem. Length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84 meters, find its length and breadth. Like previous sum only, here length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4. Right? Here they gave condition for length, for breadth they did not give. So take let breadth as x. Then what length becomes, children? Length will become x plus 4. Okay, length exceeds its breadth by 4. So, and next, what is given in the question? Perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle. How much did they give? 84 meters. So what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B equal to 84. Now substitute length as x plus 4 and breadth as x in this formula. So 2 into, in place of length you write x plus 4, in place of breadth you write x equal to 84. So 2 into x plus x, how much? 2x plus 4 equal to 84. Now you can take distributive property or you can write 2x plus 4 equal to 84 by 2. Anyway you can write. So 2 into 2x plus 2 into 4 equal to 84. So 2 into 2x how much? 4x. 2 4s are 8 equal to 84. So 4x equal to 84. Take this plus 8 to other side, it will become minus 8. How much you are going to get? 84 minus 8 gives you 72, right? sorry 76. So 4x equal to 76, right? Next, 4x is nothing but 4 into x. So x is nothing but 76 by 4. When you do cancellation, 4 1s are 4 9s are 36. So x equal to 19 you got. Therefore, then what is length here? Length we took as x plus 4, that is 19 plus 4, how much? 23. And what is breadth? Breadth we took as x, so x is 19. So how to check? So in the rectangle we got length as 23. So here opposite side also 23. Breadth as 19. So here also 19. So when you add 19 plus 23 plus 19 plus 23, how much you are going to get, children? 23, 33, 42, 40, 84. So you got 84 here. So perimeter they gave in the question as 84 meters. The 10th word problem. After 15 years, Emma's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. Here they are asking you to find present age of Hema. So let Hema's present age you take as x. So after 15 years, what is her age? X plus 15, isn't it? Next, here Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Here 4 times means what? 4 times of Hema's present age. That is 4 into x. Nothing but 4x. Right? Now by problem, what they are saying? After 15 years means x plus 15 equal to, Emma's age will become means equal to 4 times that of her present age, that is 4x. Is that clear, children? After 15 years means x plus 15. Emma's age will become 4 times that of her present age means equal to 4x. Now we will solve. Here x is the subject here. We have to find the value of x. X is in LHS and RHS. So bring x terms to one side and constants to the other side. Okay, x, bring this plus 4x to LHS, it will become minus 4x. Take this plus 15 to RHS, then it will become minus 15. Now x minus 4x is how much? Minus 3x. And here minus 15. Here both sides minus is there means you can cancel. Now 3 into x equal to 15. Then what is x? 15 by 3, that is 3 1s are 3 5s are, x equal to 5. What is x here? What is x here? Hema's present age. Therefore, present age of Hema. How much? 5 years. Right? Now we are going to check, children. Here, what they are asking, after 15 years means, here we took x plus 15 now. That is how much? X you got as 5. 5 plus 15 how much? 20 years. Okay. After 15 years, Emma's age will become 4 times that of her present age. What is the present age you got here? 5. 4 times means 4 into x. So 4 into 5. How much? 20 years. Is that clear? So present age of Hema is 5 years. Next, 11th one. A sum of rupees 3000 is to be given in the form of 63 prizes. So total number of prizes how many? 63, and the worth of the 63 prizes is how much? Rupees 3000. And if the prize money is either rupees 100 or rupees 25. So only 2 types of prizes, either rupees 100 prize or rupees 25 prizes. Find the number of prizes of each type. So in total 3000 rupees, how many 100 rupees prizes are there and how many 25 rupees prizes are there? And total number of prizes how many, children? 63. Little bit confusion, but try to understand, okay? Here total amount is 3000. First we leave that. We'll consider first 63 prizes, okay? total 63 prices they are giving in the form of rupees 25 rupees prices and rupees 100 rupees, right? Out of 63 prices, 25 rupees prices are there, 100 rupees prices are there, right? So take anything, your wish children, you can take 25 as X or 100 as X, your wish. If I take 25 rupees prices as X, then 100 rupees prices will become what? Yes, 63 minus X, isn't it? Suppose you have 10 chocolates, okay? Out of 10 chocolates, you ate 6 chocolates. How many left? How many left here? 4. How you got here? 10 minus 6, isn't it? Similarly, let's take 25 prices as X, then how many 100 rupees prices will become? 63 minus X. Is that clear up to here? Now, let first total number of prices I am going to write. Total number of prices 63 and let number of rupees 25 rupees prices equal to X, okay? Then number of rupees 100 prices equal to 63 minus X. Is that clear up to here, children? Now, suppose in your purse, 100 rupees notes are there. So total 100 rupees notes 5 are there. So what is the value of that 5 notes here? What you will do? 5 into 100, that is value is 500 rupees, isn't it? Suppose in your purse, if it is 2000 rupees notes are there, how many? 3 notes are there. So what is the value of the 3 2000 rupees notes here? 3 into 2000, if you do, how much you are going to get? 6000. Similarly, we have to find the value of 25 rupees prices and the value of 100 rupees prices here. Okay? So I am writing value of rupees 25 rupees prices. That is, you have to multiply that X into 25 because 25 rupees no. So 25 into X is how much? Rupees 25X. And next you have to find the value of 100 rupees prices. How much you got 100 rupees prices here? 63 minus X. That is, you have to multiply 100 into 63 minus X. Right? So distributive property, when you are going to take 100 into 63 minus 100 into X, that is nothing but 100 into 63 is how much? 6300 minus 100X. So you got the value of 25 rupees price as 25 rupees X and the value of 100 rupees prices is nothing but 6300 minus 100X. Now according to the sum, total amount how much? 3000. Means in 3000 you are having 25 rupees prices and 100 rupees prices. So value of 25 is how much? 25X and the value of 100 rupees prices 6300 minus 100X equal to 3000. Okay? Now 25X minus 100 how much? Minus 75X. Right, equal to, this number is constant, take this plus 6300 to other side, it will become minus 63. Okay, so here minus 75x equal to 3000 minus 6300, how much you will get? Minus 3300. Here both sides minus is there, so you can cancel. Now what is x value here? I will show you. X is not 75, x is what here? 75 into x. So x is nothing but 3300 by 75. So when you do cancellation with 5 ones are 5 5s are here, 5 6s are 30, 3 6s are 30, zeros. Okay. Now 15 4s are 60, 15 4s are. So x you got as 44 means x44 means therefore number of 25 rupees prices. How many? We took as x, that is 44, and number of 100 rupees prices, how many? Here we took 63 minus x, no? So 63 minus 44, when you do, you will get 90. So number of 25 rupees prices will be 44 and number of 100 rupees prices will be 90. So how to check, children? Here. So number of 25 rupees prices 44 means what is the value? 44 into 25 and plus number of 100 rupees prices how many? 19. So 19 into 100. So 44 into 25, when you do multiplication, 5 4s are 22, 5 4s are 20, 22, 8, 8. So you got here 1100 plus 19 into 100. 1900. When you add 1100 plus 1900, how much you are going to get? 3000. So how much you got? Number of 25 rupees prices as x, number of 100 rupees prices as 19. It is not compulsory to take only 25 rupees prices as x, children. Here it is not compulsory to take 25 rupees prices only as x, children. Here you can take 100 rupees prices as x. If you take number of 100 rupees prices as x, then number of 25 rupees prices will become 63 minus x. Then what is the difference you are going to get? Here you should multiply this with 25, this with 100. That is very important, right?